And now for the remaining part of the table, I want to add some border to it. Like this. I will draw it to you. You don't have to draw it. I'm just showing you. I want the border to be for each column. They have left and right border. Left and right border like that. But in the same column, the different rows are open to each other. Just like this. Just like this. The border just like this. You don't have to do it. I will erase them. That's what I want. Now I will erase them. I will erase them. Just like this. Okay. Now I will draw the borders. I will draw the borders for this part. At first, I will select all the table. That's B14 until H, for example, 500, and enter. So this part is selected. What I want is for the top line. For the top line, I want each cell have its left and right and top border. And for the cells in the middle, I just want their left and right border. And for the bottom row, I just want it to have right, left, and right and bottom border. So there are 3 different conditions, and I will use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, I will add new rules, and now I will use the formula to determine it. So, and now the B14 cell is white. What does it mean? It's just like this cell is select, and I will enter a formula for this cell, and it will be applied. It will be applied to other cells. But if I use relative reference, it will be adjusted to the condition of each cell. So what I want is only B14 equals to 1. If B14 equals to 1, and I want all the cells as top, left, and right, just like this. Okay, we will try it. Okay, yes, no, it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? I will check it. Manage rules, and why there's a question mark. No, when I delete it, will it work? Will it work? Okay. Yes, but only for this cell. Why it is not applied to the other cells? Because for the other cells it is just a relative reference. So for this cell, it checked is B14 equals 1? Yes. So it was set the border as this. But this one, it will check C14. So it moved. Now what we have to do is just to lock the column to B, and then we will click on OK, and now we will see that for this row, the right border has been set, and now we will continue to select this part of the whole table, 500 like this, and then we will set another row, add a new row to it, and this time, if now it's B14 is right, so we we said just add B14 what we have chosen. So just like this cell we have selected. Now if B14 is bigger than 1, and now what we will set to it, just like this. If it is bigger than 1, okay, so just as what we have seen, we will lock the row. We will lock the column, but not the row. So it will be adjusted to others as the row moves. So we'll click on OK, and then what's the problem? Manage. I don't know why it will add automatically a question mark to it. We have to delete it. It's a bug for my Excel. I don't know why, but it's a bug. It's okay. Okay, now we have added all the other rows to its with its border. So with the ending row. With the ending row, at first we have also to select the whole area and enter like this, and I will add a new row to it, and then use a formula to determine, and then we will add maybe I have to enter at first a equal sign to declare that it's a formula. Now I will try. If B14 equals to which cell? To which cell? We have set that it to be, yes, D6. If B14 is already if it's already the end the number of period, it will be set as the format like that. We click OK, and then OK. Now we see that for this cell it has been adjusted. Where is the problem? Still the same problem. We have to lock the column, not the row but the column, and then OK. Now we have just added the border to this part with conditional formatting. There are some rules we have adjusted. If this column equals if the first column equals to 1, it will be added as left, right, and top border. And then if it's bigger than 1, it will be set as just left and right border. And then for the bottom row, it will be set as left, right, and bottom row. So with conditional formatting, we add some new rules. For example, 3 here, we have set the border to the remaining part of the table. Now we can try another one. For example, if we set 16 like this. Okay, now the bottom line becomes 16, and until this row, the cells was set left, right, and bottom borders like that.